Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change your name on Threads. First of all, open the Thread app. Go into its profile. Click on Edit Profile. From here, you can see the name. But if you click to change, it shows you that your name is linked with Instagram cannot be changed. Click to cancel it. Then tap on Instagram ID from Threads profile page. Click on Edit Profile on Instagram. From here, you can change the name. Type your name. Click on your Thread badge to open your Thread profile. You can see the name is changed in Threads as well. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.